How to remove watermark from TikTok videos. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how you guys can remove watermark from TikTok videos. Now before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. First, to remove a watermark from a video that you created, you can open up your TikTok. Open up your TikTok and then head over to your profile at the bottom right. After you're on your profile, you'll see the draft option. Now this is for before you publish the video. So open up the video. And after you open it up, you can then tap on the next button. After you tap on next, tap on more options. And after you do that, you should find a download option. So right here, you'll find the save to device option. Now, the save to device option might get removed from TikTok not too long before here, but it might be available in some of your devices. If you haven't updated your TikTok yet, you will still have the save to device option, and you don't even have to post the video to save it. So that's one way of doing it. The second is you can use a video from anyone else. So let's say that you want to download a video from someone else. So you can see a video, you can download it, tap on the share button, then tap on the download button. After you tap on download, the video should start downloading. After you open it up from your gallery, you will find the TikTok option right there. Now the only way to remove the watermark is by editing it and cropping it. So tap on the edit button and then crop it so that the watermark will not appear. So this is not really a great way to remove the watermark, but it's really easy to do as well. So it's really easy to do. And yeah, you can save the video after this. And after you've saved it, so let's crop it first. And after you've cropped the video, you can save it. This is not really an optimal way to do so, but this might be the only way. The third and the final option is you can use a third-party downloader, which is not recommended, and it's not safe as well. So yeah, those are the three ways you can remove watermark from TikTok videos. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.